So guys, another new platform has been launched and it is paying. You understand? This is an investment platform and it is paying 100%. So all you have to do is to click the link of my description box or comment section and register. Once you click the link, it will bring you here. You put your phone number, your password, you put the password that you put at the first, then you click sign up. Once you sign up, it will bring you here. So this is Rexmas, you understand, investment platform, and their referral bonus is 24%. Welcome bonus is 600 naira, which you can withdraw immediately. You deposit and invest. You can withdraw the 600 naira. So gift codes drops every 6 p.m. in their Telegram groups. Make sure you join their Telegram group, you understand? And they charge this 15% of anything, as in any withdrawal you make there, you get. So click join our Telegram group and join their Telegram group. Then you come here, you see recharge. Click on the recharge the amount. They have different packages from 2,000 to 1 million, right? Yes, from 2,000 to 1 million, depending on what you want to recharge. Like I always say, this is very high risky business, and in case of anything, invest what you can afford to lose in case of anything. So if it is 2,000, 4,000 or 8,000, just do it so that cautions of everything we are doing here, you understand? So all you have to do is to click the 2,000 naira or 4,000, anyone, just click it. Then you click this recharge. So it will bring you here. Then you copy this account, go to any paying platform you want to pay, pay, PalmPay, pay the amount you want to pay. You understand? Then come back and click I have paid. Once you click I have paid, they will credit you instantly. Then you come back, you come back and scroll up and click invest. The amount you want to invest, shake the package that you deposited and click the invest. Once you click the invest, you can now withdraw your money. But first of all, you can withdraw the welcome bonus, 600 naira welcome bonus. But first of all, you click this you click it, you understand? So once you click it, you click on this bank account and put your bank account there, you understand? Make sure you use either PalmPay or OPay, which one you saw there, just put it up for fast withdrawal, you understand? So once you have done it, then your money will be dropping, your bonuses will be dropping every 24 hours. It will be dropping on your dashboard. Then you can withdraw, you get. So that's just it. See where you put the gift code. If they drop it in the group, that place you get. So it is paying, and join and start earning as you draw. You get.